I desperately needed this. I didn't need a 2-pack of it, but I definitely needed one. This is a laundry detergent cup holder, and I got it off Amazon. We'll link it down below. But if you got the big old jugs of laundry detergent, you know, use the cup. But if you don't have this holder, make a little spill, it's all on your washer. So I definitely wanted to get this and try it out. Hopefully I could stop spilling stuff. So that's one. And let's see here. That's 2. Pretty much look very easy to assemble. So I'm assuming it goes this way. Just pop it in. Okay, I'll see it. No, y'all can't see it. I'm just popping it in like so. And that's how it looks. I'll save the other one, give it to my mom. I just need one. But yeah, that's how it looks. So here is the big jug of detergent. As you can see, the top is on it now, but I think we just put it over it, push it back, maybe, or maybe don't push it back. I don't know. Let's see. That's how it came out. That's how it came out. So you don't pop it on, you have to like twist it a little. You have to twist it on, and there it goes. But now you just keep your cup right there. You don't have to hold the cup to try to fill it. Now you can just fill it. Just press the red button. I don't need to do no laundry, so I ain't gonna fill it, but y'all get the drift. Yep, that's it. I will show y'all the detergent, but I really don't like it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Oh, that's my Downy Unstoppables. I did a video on that, and that's my Red Air. Did a video on that. So check those out, guys. See you on the next one. Maybe I'll flip the camera back. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So there you go. That's how it's looking. Unstoppables, Red Air. Check those videos out. Thanks for watching.